Hi guys, I'm Jiva. I'm studying BTech first year currently. In this video, I am going to tell you all how I created my first ever static website. So, recently I have enrolled on CCBP 4.0 program to improve my tech skills. In the first few weeks of taking these sessions itself, I was able to understand how to build a static website. And I created one which you can see here. Okay, so it's all about the quantum tech platform. So I will tell you in this video how I have added these three different components to my website on the background image and also the text and colors to my text by using HTML and CSS. Okay, I think you are all aware of HTML and CSS, right? Let's get into the HTML code which I have written here. Here you can see I have used the division container element to wrap all these three elements like heading element, paragraph and the button element as well. And I have written here the main heading quant new in order to set the title to my website, and after that I have written the paragraph description, and after that let's go button. So this is my HTML code to my static website. And coming to the CSS rule set, here are the CSS rule sets for my website. Mainly CSS is to style the static website. That's why CSS is mainly useful in the static website. And you know one thing here, the HTML code and the CSS code are written in the different playgrounds. So in order to combine these two playgrounds, we use that the class attribute. Here the class attribute is used to combine the CSS code playground, combine the CSS playground to HTML. So okay, understood. Okay, let's coming to the CSS code background. Here I have written here the code selector. In this code selector, I have written the background image property in order to set the background image, and that is taken from the freepik.com. And after that, I have written the text align property in order to center the whole text whatever I have written in my HTML code. And after that I have written here the background size property. You know one thing, when I delete this background size property, um, the output is see you see like this. So here you see the output of my static website. Here the background size image is repeatedly occurrence. So in order to remove this background size background image occurrence, we must and should return here the background size property. Okay, understood. Here the background size property. Here I have written the cover. I mean the whole page is set by the only single background image. Okay, and after that I have written the height, 100 viewport height. And here coming to the main heading selector, in this rule set I have written the color property and the value is blue in order to give the blue color to my title. After that I have written the font family lobster, and in here you use different styles like font family styles like lobster, caveat, roboto, like this. After that I have written font size, here the 45 pixels value. And coming to the paragraph selector, in this selector and I have written the color property and the value is thin, and the font family, caveat and the font size according as well. Here you see you observe one thing, the font size of the main heading is greater than the font size of the paragraph. Here mainly is because uh, so viewers are easily identified the website, what about the page. So that's why I have written here the font size of the main heading is greater than the font size of paragraph. So this is for now how I have built my website, static website. So I think you are all understand. And in the next video I will talk about how to style the button and the remaining features of the static website, and how we are able to style the different ways for static website. So I think you are all understand how I created my website, and I'm really excited and happy to learn all these things from my CCP 4.4 program, and I will be sharing all my progress with you all. And I really excited to do more projects and website in coming days. So I will be sharing with you all in this YouTube channel, and please stay tuned and thanks for watching this video.